again. How are you, students and the parents? This is our last lesson of week 3, fifth day lesson of math for grade 1. Okay? As you remember, last time we already started chapter 1, which is number system. In this class also, we continue order of numbers. Okay? The number system, we see this subtopic, which is order. Our discussion pages are 19 and 20. And before we start, let's see the objectives in this lesson. At the end of this, you'll be able to count numbers by skipping. Okay? It can be by 2, by 3, by 5, by 10, so on. And you write order of natural in whole numbers that comes before, after, and in between. Before we start, let's revise what we have seen last time. Remember, we have seen what even and odd numbers means and skip counting by 2. Okay, in the case of odds, we have numbers here. In this case, we have difference of 2 in each, and also here 2 difference in even cases. So all these numbers are skip counted by 2. When we say even, that means divisible by 2, and also when you say odd, they cannot be divisible, and they end up with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 for odds, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 for evens. This was your last time lesson. So with this, we have seen what skip counting even or all means, and also I have given you one additional homework on page 18 to do it at home. Question number 14 says what? The word hope. I am an even number. I can between 16 and 20. What am I? What number am I? The number that found between 16 and 20. What is it? The number is 18, right? The number is 8. And question number 15. I am an odd number. I can between 24 and 26. I can between 24 and 26. What am I? An odd number, which is 25. Excellent. 16. If 3 comes between 4 and 6, if 3 comes between 4 and 6, if 3 comes before 4, it says what? If 3 comes before 4 and 6 comes after 5, then dash comes before 10. What is it? The number is 9. Excellent. If you say 9, that is good. And dash comes before 20. What is it? The number is 19. And what number comes after 20? 21. Lastly, what number comes after 8? That is 9. The number that comes after 8 is 9. This was your homework. So try to compare and relate your answers with this one. If there is any mistake, correct it. Now let's proceed to today's class. As we have said, in this lesson we see order of numbers. Okay, when we say order, it can be in increasing order, or it can be in decreasing order, or ascending or descending. When you say ascending, it means increasing order. When you say descending, it means decreasing order. In math, ascending order or descending order, students arrange the numbers from bigger to small. Okay, when you say numbers descending, it means from bigger to small. When we say it is ascending, from smaller to bigger. When you say descending, from bigger to smaller, right? Yes. Now let's see. As I said, ascending means arranging from smallest to largest. Say for example here, numbers from 5 up to 11, they are arranged in increasing order. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? The numbers are increasing. So we call this ascending or increasing. When we say descending, the numbers are arranged from largest to smaller. Here 23, 22, 21, 20, 90, 80, 70. So from the largest to the smallest. So these are descending orders. Now next one is video, which shows you numbers. Okay, it's a song that explains numbers from 1 up to 10, 1 up to 100. Okay, it shows you numbers 1 up to 100. It's interesting song. Take a look at it, and then when you come back. Okay, students, I hope you have seen numbers 1 up to 100, right? So based on the video, write the missing numbers, okay, on page 20 from your working book. Go to page 20 from your working book. Now try to copy this one and do it, okay? You have 10 minutes for this one. You read and then you complete the blank spaces here. First you read and then complete. Now start doing this one. You have 10 minutes. Now you can pause the video if you want, and then when you finish, you can continue. The first one says, what number comes after 1 when you count by 1? Okay. What numbers comes before 13? What number comes before 94? Here. H. What number comes before 34? Here. And 17. If 12 comes between 11, I didn't know 12 comes between 11 and 30, yes? Then do the rest. Based on this one, do the rest. What number comes between 21 and 23? What number comes between 89 and 91? Here. What number comes between 32 and 34? Here. I am an even number. I can between 19 and after 17. What am I? What am I? Here. And I am an odd number. I come between 17 and after 68. What am I? Right here. So start now. Okay, students, now let's see the answers with this one. Now let's compare. The first one says what? What number comes after 1? What number comes after 1? If you add 1 to this one, it will be what? 2. Excellent. If you say 2, that's correct. Second one, what number comes before 13? Before 13 there is what? 12. When you count by 1, there is 12 before 13. And what number comes before 94? It's 93. What number comes before 34? That is 33. That is subtracting 1 from each. 70. If 12 comes between 11 and 13, then do the rest. It says, what number comes between 21 and 23? Between 21 and 23, there is one number, which is what? 22. Good. And B, what number comes between 89 and 91? What number comes between these two? There is 19 between. Yes? Good. What number comes between 32 and 34? There is 33 in between. D, I am an even number. I come between before 90, after 70. After 70, there is 18. And then what? 90. Before 90, there is 80. So So between 17 and 19, there is 18. So that's this area. E, and the last one is I am an odd number. I come before 17 and after 60. Wama. Number is 69. The number between 68 and 70. Clear? Excellent. We see girls. Finally, I have one additional exercise for you. Before that, let's see. Let's summarize, recap what you have seen earlier. As I told you, we have seen what order of a number means. Ascending, descending, when you say increasing or decreasing. And also we have seen order of numbers, and we have seen skip counting, and also even in odd numbers. Yes, so based on that, I will give you one exercise for you. What you are going to do here is count the numbers by skipping. You can count, you exercise what skip counting, okay, by counting by 2, by counting by 3, by 5, or by 10. Okay, you exercise by using this diagram. Okay, as I showed you earlier, the first row shows skip count by 1, the second shows skip counting by 2, the third one by 3 on this one. Okay, on this one, you exercise on the second diagram. This one, you count by 1, you start with 1, or you can start with 2, or you can start with 3. You exercise skip counting, okay, by 2, by 3, by 5, or by 10. Okay, you exercise on this diagram. So this is all about today's class. So see you in the next. Thank you for watching and listening. Right?